Hey guys, little tips on power chords today, and especially playing power chords kind of on that A string there. A lot of the time when I'm teaching the kids, you know, they love power chords after they've gotten used to them, especially on the kind of starting on the E string there, nice and easy. But when I say, right, now you've got to do one on the A string there, so you're moving up to the A and the D there, that's when they're like, oh, this is a bit difficult, because you know you've got to avoid obviously the E string there, otherwise it sounds not very nice. So instead of trying to avoid that bottom E string, I know that can be quite, you know, quite difficult to do. Instead of trying to avoid it, what you want to try and do is with your first finger there, if you just very lightly touch the E string there, so you don't actually fret it, just very lightly mute the E string until it sounds like this. Can't hear it. So then, even if you do play that E string, you're not going to hear it. Okay, so I think that's definitely a good little technique to get used to. It's kind of hard at first, you know, to get used to it, but once you are used to it, then you don't have to worry about, you know, like going in between that string, and you can really just absolutely rock, which is almost if you want to do. Alright, so I'll show you one more time. You've got a power chord there on the A string, starting with that first finger on the A string, and then with that first finger you're going to just lightly tip of your finger touch the E string. Okay, if you can get used to that, it's going to change everything. Thanks guys.